Our artist friends, the Ruperts, shared this one with us on one of our shows, and when it's a good one, we like to keep on sharing. And basically, it's a very easy technique on how to go about creating your own decorative wire nails, and I find myself using them all the time. You're going to need some steel wire and pliers. Cut the wire to 8-inch lengths. Bend in half to a 90-degree angle and create a coil out of 1/2. The stem of your nail should come out of the center of your coil. To use, drill pilot holes using 1/16-inch drill bit and slip through using the flat coil on the back side. Trim so there's about 1/4 inch of wire sticking out and turn it over to tighten and secure. You can also use with the coil on the front of your work. To make the coiling job even easier, we've created these customized pliers available exclusively in our store. Slip your wire through, clamp down, bend your wire over, and turn to coil. You'll get a perfect coil every time. Quick and easy. And you can adjust the length of the wire to get different sized nails. You'll find these very useful for connecting things and fun to use.